Hi, dear viewers. Welcome back to English Funda Kolkata. I am Ram sir. Now I am going to discuss with you some important preposition and how to use the proper preposition. Before going to start today's discussion, I want to introduce with the boy. So first introduce yourself.
My name is Sonnav Chatterjee. I read in class 4.
Okay. So I am going to ask you some important preposition. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You will give the answer. Okay.
Okay,
And I will give you the option. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Sarah goes to school dash 8 a.m. In or at?
At.
Very good. Toby goes to school dash the morning. In or at?
On.
In the morning. In the morning. Okay. We usually celebrate Durga Puja dash October.
On October.
Very good. My birthday is dash 12 May.
On.
Very good. I saw a white owl outside my window late dash night.
At.
I'll go for my weekly dance class dash Wednesday.
On.
Very good. The children's park opened dash 1992. ইয়ারের আগে কি হয়? In or at?
In.
In. Very good. We had lunch dash noon.
At.
Very good. তাহলে next I am going to you have to use behind, in front of, near, between or among. এই প্রিপোজিশনগুলো কোথায় কোথায় বসে তোমাকে বলতে হবে ওকে
Yes, sir.
দ্য কি হ্যাড ফলেন ডাউন ড্যাশ দ্য ডেস্ক অ্যান্ড দ্য ওয়াল
Between.
ভেরি গুড সি ইজ দ্য বেস্ট সুইমার ড্যাশ অল চিলড্রেন ইন হার ক্লাস
Among.
ভেরি গুড দ্য থিপ হিড ড্যাশ দ্য ডোর
Behind.
very good the post office is dash my house near or between or in near very good the man is sitting dash me is a very tall
In front.
in front of we have been walking for an hour and we are now dash our destination near our destination don't speak loudly dash the puppies don't
In front.
speak in front of the puppies please distribute candies dash all the students
Among.
very good the rich man divided his property equally dash his two children
Between.
very good the cowardly lion hit dash the tree it behind yes behind the trees okay next I am going to ask you about the shop closed dash night
At.
they lived in this house dash 2 months from for very good I visited my grandmother dash August
In.
very good it gets very cold dash night
At.
the lion lives dash the zoo at in
In.
very good I like to exercise dash the terrace
Under.
on the terrace yes she got dash the car to look for the parts on into
On. Into.
into I was born dash 1998 in very good I did not get any call dash him from to yes very good my sister is coming home dash Saturday at on Saturday আগে কি হয় at হবে না on হবে
On.
very good now you have to use among from above into on at to between okay the aeroplane flew dash the clouds
Above.
very good Sumita travels dash Delhi to Kolkata by train.
From Delhi.
Very good. The bee buzzed the flowers. Among, between.
The, among the flowers.
Very good. Do not go dash the dark room. Into the dark room. Bina sat dash the table and ate her food. On. Please reach the hall dash time. At time. Sita is going dash the market. To the market. Yes. My mother divide the sweets dash my brother and me.
Between.
Very good. So dear viewers, this is the way how you have to use proper preposition. And I have loaded the video with the help of the students who is now studying in class 4. So dear viewers, if you like this video,
please share and subscribe our channel English Funda Kolkata. Till then,
goodbye. See you again with a new video. Thank you everyone.